rock and roll, super excited, beyond amazing. You know what? That means beyond amazing. I want to take a look at this. I don't know if you can see this or not. About 2 weeks ago, it was dead. You know what that means? Dead. You know what that means? Dead. And now it's growing back. Boggles my mind. See the same thing with the money tree? All these leaves did not exist 2-3 weeks ago. One reason and one reason only. Bananas. Unbelievable. Now, the way I'm wearing this hat is, I don't want to look too serious, you know what I mean? And today we got some serious subjects. Beyond serious. You know what that means? Beyond serious. My day started off really great. I was on my hands and knees for about an hour, washing the water off the floor. How exciting is that? My plant's hydroponic system, we're still trying to figure it out. A lot of water, we're going to do it eventually. Next, I was dishwashing. Boom, boom, boom. Dishwashing. Boom, boom, boom. Next, two subjects. Number one, brain cancer. I got a letter today from California about this 14-year-old girl who suffers brain cancer, given 1 year to live. She contacted me because I do have experience in it. Keep me saying I'm just a dishwasher, I'm just a floor washer, and I'm not a doctor. Zero. I have no medical. So what I do, I'm a banana guy. What the heck? Okay, let's talk about it. And the other phone call I got from Canada, young guy, I think 21 years old. He had seizures for 18 years. No hope. And when I got the phone call, guess who was working with me? I don't know whether I can mention her name. Maybe I could. I'm not sure. Anyway, this girl's working with me. She had seizures for 18 years. Same thing. Now her seizures are almost gone. Secret? Bananas. What causes seizures? What causes brain cancer? This is my opinion as a humble dishwasher. As a humble dishwasher, floor washer who has no medical experience whatsoever. But I do have a strong belief in bananas. Seizures. The first thing we said to him, what is he eating? What does that mean? What is he eating that his body has to stop every now and then to catch up? Do you know what that means? Seizures is based on, in my opinion, based on love. His body has to stop in order to catch up, which means if he's eating food contrary to his well-being, the kidneys on overload. And when the kidney is on overload, it has the ability to reset itself. That, my friends, in my opinion, is a seizure. Remove the cause, give the body healthy healing condition, the seizure should stop. According to April, in her opinion, and in my opinion. Which means, what are you eating? Ready? This is a secret. God's garden, God's food, God's body, God's law. Now, why am I saying this all the time? In 1972, I was a young guy, maybe, 72. I was 28, 48. I don't know, 24, 25 years old. I was walking, Philadelphia, going from bar to bar, from pizza place to pizza place, and I walked across the street, 12th and Pine. And 12th and Pine, I got stopped in the middle of the street by a force. And the force said, I'm not sure what it was, it says, Arnold, you got to do great things in your life. You got to spread the word. I said, what does that mean? What does that mean? I have no idea what that means, spread the word. I know the force of angels, I thought the angel was upon me. 45 years later, I got it. This is I'm 73. I'll be 74, so that's almost 50 years ago. I even got them more so. Belief in me, myself, and I. So is seizures. This 21-year-old kid from Canada, I never met him in my life. Boom, boom, boom. His mother called, and she talked to the other lady who had seizures, and she started crying. The mother, first time in 18 years, she was given hope. Medically, there is no hope. God's law, God's garden, God's body, God's food. There could be hope. Not saying there will, not saying there won't. And I'm saying, don't even listen to me. I'm lying to her. It doesn't make sense. It has to make sense to her and not to me. You know what I'm saying? It's not about me. It's about what you believe is your ultimate healing. Next, got a letter the other day from about a 13-year-old girl. She was given 1 year to live. No hope. Zero. Number one, I think that's a sin, number one. Dr. Never Give said there's no hope. This is what we got to do. In my opinion, this is what you got to do. You got to change the language. Number one, your cells understand English. In my case, they understand English. If you're from Spain, they understand Spanish. If you're from Russian, they understand Russian. Whatever it is, your cells understand. They're beyond brilliant. You know me, I'm wearing glasses. Man, what the heck? I could see. I move my hands, I could see. I can move my hat, I can see. I mean, I could talk, I could breathe. Boom, boom, my heart beats. You know, miracle after miracle after miracle after miracle. When you get a tumor, whether it be in the brain area, the breast area, the ovary area, the stomach area, the leg, it's all the same theory. People don't understand that. It's love. The body loves you so much that when you're putting in food contrary to your well-being, and you're in, this is my opinion, the body seeks a place to get rid of it. Has to get rid of it. The body doesn't want it inside its system. It said, man, you can give me these donuts. What am I going to do with these donuts? I'm gonna push it out through way. You give me this hamburger. I'm going to push it out. You give me this dead hamburger. I don't want it. Blech, and push it out. You give me this dead piece of bacon. I'm going to push it out. You give me this dead egg. Give me this dead bread. Go to the supermarket. Aisle after aisle after aisle after aisle. That's all dead food. Which is okay. The body can take some. But if you have a weakened immune system, you can no longer push it out. If you cannot push it out, a lot of times it stores it as fat, you know? Fat here, fat there, fat there, fat there, fat there, fat there. Stores as fat. That's called fat. 70% of the people in this country are overweight. 70%. 10% have diabetes, 50% have heart disease, 50% get cancer and die. Those are the odds. And 1% will get corona. You know, what can I say? You know, 1% versus 100% chance of dying of cancer and heart disease. Who makes up these rules? I don't know, you know. But say for a tumor, the body tries to push it out. All the dead food that you're eating. Think about it. The body loves you so much that it's taking the food that it does not recognize. What does that mean? Food has to be recognized by the body. That's a beyond concept. It's like a car. You don't put in water. You don't put I guess you could. Put water in the car, is going to run. You put turpentine in the car, is going to run. You can put olive oil in the car, is going to run. Is it? I don't know. You got to redesign it, you know what I mean? But the body's designed a certain way. 6 qualifications: glucose, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, water, and minerals, and protein. In a complete package. You know what it means? It has been a complete package, otherwise the body does not recognize it. This is my opinion. As a humble dishwasher, as a humble, you know, scrubbing the floors, boom, boom, boom. As a guy with sunglasses, and I want to look a little crazy. You know why? Guess why? Think about it. What I am saying goes against all medical science. So I must be a loony bird, loony bird. Pushing bananas. Pushing bananas. Oh my gosh. My plants are so happy I'm giving them bananas. Oh my gosh. You know, oh my, this is alive too. This was like dead. Oh my gosh. Anyway, the body creates a storage tank. Technical words called induration. The body creates a storage tank to your benefit to encapsulate all those food toxins that the body cannot use or cannot get rid of. That's it. Technically, induration, not a tumor. Induration. Repeat after me, induration. And it chooses areas of the body or head that doesn't conflict with the organs, the organs. Okay? That's called induration. Someone's here. That's okay. I'm just having a lecture about brain cancer.
Oh, nice. Hey, Arnold.
Okay. My housemate. My housemate, say hi. Hey. Induration. In women, they call it breast cancer. They call it ovarian cancer. They call it brain cancer. They call it stomach cancer. They call it pancreatic cancer. They call it every cancer out there except the word induration. Induration is by body design based on body's intelligence to encapsulate that which will harm it. So if someone calls me up with brain cancer, we're given 1 year to live, and they call up a dishwasher, they call up a guy who washes the floors, and I say one word to them. Bananas. What the heck? Every banana is 100 calories. 10 bananas a day is 1,200 calories. Some dates, 5 dates, has another 300-400 calories. 1 avocado, 350. That's 2,000 calories a day. Maybe some watermelon. 2,000 calories a day. Takes 30 minutes to process. 30 minutes. The average meal in today's society is 100 hours to process. The average meal is not recognized by the body. It is intelligence that we're not designed to eat food that's in process. We're designed to eat God's food, God's law, God's garden, God's body. That's it. And if someone wants to get better, I'm not saying I'm right, I'm not saying I'm wrong. I'm just saying I've been asked by the powers to be, by the powers above to share their knowledge, not mine. And it has to make sense to you, not to me. Because you got to live your life day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. You got to believe it. By switching to a mostly fruit diet, exercise, you have to have a vision board, rebounding. Your language has to change 100%. All those around you you love have to change 100%. Anyway, that was my day today. Washing the floor, doing dishes, helping somebody with seizures, helping somebody with brain cancer, a young girl. We give them 1 year to live. God bless.